Stockton police say a man shot by officers Tuesday night had this BB gun. Officers were called to reports of someone being shot by a person with a rifle and wearing camouflage just before 10 p.m. near Feather River Drive and the Greenbelt. Responding officers say 26-year-old Austin Berkeley raised what looked like a rifle, prompting 3 officers to shoot him. Right now, he is in the hospital and listed as stable. Investigators say Berkeley called in the initial reports of someone being shot and wanted a confrontation with police. No officers were injured. Katie Johnston for CBS 13 News.